Are you looking for that open concept floor plan that all the high-end builders are showing? Tastefully updated FF Master sits on a secluded lot on the 4th hole of Twin Lakes Golf Course. This restoration hardware-inspired home features 19 gr kitchen with all high-end stainless steel appliances, 10 island, 12 ceilings, open concept and wall of windows, 18 x 18 master retreat, remodeled bath and two-sided fireplace, 3 bedrooms up, Jack and Jill and Princess Suite, 27 x 14 plus loft and bonus room for the kids, custom 20 basement bar looks like you are in a high-end restaurant, brick statement walls, plenty of room the kids to play, theater room and half bath, backdoor access to mudroom and staircase from garage to basement. The outdoor terrace leads to the brick paver patio and kids playscape. Note the huge buffer between the lot and the golf course. Views of Twin Lake from your front door, the pride of ownership shows through at every turn.